Hello. In today's video, we'll understand about the dual right framework in Dynamics 365. I'm Adil, pre-sales supply chain management consultant of Intelligence IT. Here is the brief agenda for today's session. We'll understand what is dual right framework and learn some of the key aspects of it. Then, we'll dive into the system for a quick demo. Before I begin, I want to quickly give an overview on Dynamics 365. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is a comprehensive, cloud-based business operations solution that has unified ERP and CRM process on a single platform. It offers a wide range of modules on both the sides, as you can see on the screen. Each module has a list of submodules, and all the modules are interconnected with each other using the dual right framework in Dynamics 365. Dual right is an out-of-box infrastructure that provides near real-time interaction between customer engagement apps and the finance and operation apps. Dual right provides tightly coupled bidirectional integration between finance and operation apps and the Dataverse apps such as sales, marketing, customer service, and so on. Any data change in the finance and operations apps will be reflected in the Dataverse with the help of common data services and vice versa. This automated data flow provides an integrated user experience across the applications. A key information on dual right is that it is already embedded within the finance and operations application, and users are entitled to use this framework without any additional licensing costs. Dual right has two primary aspects. First one is focused on the infrastructure side. The dual right infrastructure is extensible and very reliable. It includes the following key features. It provides synchronous and bidirectional data flow between applications. With live sync of data, users can play, pause, and catch up in the system during online as well as in offline modes. It provides out-of-the-box setup experience for new customers. Another key aspect of dual right is on the application side. The framework provides a unified product mastering experience along with integrated customer master and vendor master. System comes with an intuitive user interface for filtering and transforming the data across the whole system. Overall, it gives an embedded user experience for various business processes such as procure to pay, prospect to cash, and many more. Let's get into the system. We have now logged into Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations application, and this is the home page or the landing page of the application. And I have logged in as a system admin for this demonstration. So before I begin, I would like to set the storyline of this demonstration. We'll be going through a couple of scenarios to demonstrate the dual right framework in action. The first scenario will be the creation of a customer master record in the Finance and Operations application. We will see how the data gets populated in Sales Hub. Then we'll make an update to the record in the Sales Hub and view the changes back in F&O application. In the second scenario, we'll create a sales order in F&O and make some additions in the Sales Hub and view it back in F&O. So let's get started. In the first scenario, I'll be creating a customer master record. So I'll navigate to the all customer workspace and we'll go ahead and create a new record. So the customer account has been defaulted. I'm going to give a name to our customer, say it's GT Group, and select a customer group and input some of the monetary details, delivery terms, mode of delivery, and the sales tax group. So now that we have entered the necessary information, you can just click on save, and the system will create a new customer record in the customer master for us. Now that we have created a new customer data in the customer master, we can just review the details in the general tab. And now let's head to the Sales Hub application and view this information in the Sales Hub. this is the Sales Hub sandbox environment. And let me just navigate to the customer workspace, to the accounts. And I'm going to filter my view to the all accounts. And if I just scroll down here, I can see that the record that we created in the F&O is already reflected here. So drilling down on this customer details, I can view the company and the account number details, the customer group, currency, and I can see the created date and time and where it has been created. So now let's make some changes to this master data. And I'm going to update the customer group as wholesale customers. Just click on save here. And once we save the data here, we'll navigate back to F&O to view the changes that's just did. Just click on refresh here. I can see that the customer group has been updated to 10. So now let's move on to the next scenario where we're going to create a sales order, navigating to the sales and marketing module and all sales order workspace. Just going to go ahead and create a new sales order for the customer that we just created. Let's search the name here, say GT Group. So select the customer details, and if I scroll down a bit, I'm going to input site and the warehouse details. Click on OK. So now the system will create a sales order for us, and this is the sales order number, and this is the status of the sales order. If I just scroll down a bit, I can view the sales order lines where we can add the item details here. So now we're going to add the item details from the Sales Hub application. Let's navigate back to the Sales Hub application and go to the orders workspace and filter my view as all orders. And let's just filter it with our sales order ID. And as you can see, the sales order is already populated here. I'm just going to click on edit. And again, I can just view all the details. And we're going to add an item to this sales order. Let's look up an existing product and let's add this product to the sales item. I can see the price per unit and the quantity, and I can just click on save and close. This will add a new line to the sales order. And as it's been added, we're going to click on save again. And now if we navigate back to the finance and operations application, let's do a quick refresh. And now the product number and the item details are automatically displayed here from the sales that we created. I'm just going to go ahead and update quantity to 5 here. You just say OK. And let's say save. And we can again see in the Sales Hub that the quantity will be updated to 5. Do a quick refresh. And as you can see, the quantity has been updated to 5. So let's navigate back to the finance and operations and confirm the sales order. Once you've given all the details, you can just go ahead and click on confirm sales order, and you can review the details in this tab and say OK to proceed with confirmation of the sales order. Once the order has been confirmed, we can proceed to the next steps of the business process cycle. So now that we've covered the scenarios, I hope you get a good understanding of the Allright framework and its capabilities. The seamless integration between the ERP and the CRM modules makes Dynamics 365 the one-stop shop for all your business needs. The Allright infrastructure follows the low-code, no-code principle. The minimal effort is required to extend the standard table mapping and to include the custom mapping as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has been insightful. please feel free to connect with me or the wider team via email or telephone. Also, check out our website to get some of the latest content on Microsoft Dynamics 365 and stay connected by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Cheers!